Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find your Bitget UID number. All right, so start by opening up the Bitget Exchange app and not the Bitget wallet, okay? Tap on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the profile icon, and then once done, you will be able to see your UID under or below your username, okay? Right here. Now, if you don't want to type it down manually, maybe, for example, you wanted to send it to someone, well, you can just go ahead and tap on the right arrow key right here, tap on it, and your UID will be listed under Profile, UID, your UID. Okay? Now, if you want to copy it, just tap on it, and as you can see here, it says User ID copied. Now, if you want to test it out, you can just go ahead and open up a messaging app or your notes, tap and hold, paste, and here you have your UID. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you find your Bitget UID number. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.